Welcome to Crime in 2 Minutes. Today's case, the woodchipper murder. No body was ever found. A single tooth still convicted him. November 1986, Newtown, Connecticut. Helle Crafts, a 39-year-old flight attendant, had just filed for divorce. Her husband, Richard Crafts, was an airline pilot. She flew home through a snowstorm one night and vanished. He said she'd simply left. Friends reported her missing, but police had almost nothing. No body, no crime scene, just a faint bloodstain in the bedroom and a new freezer he'd just bought. Divers searched the icy river. Nothing. The case stalled. Then a snowplow driver came forward. On a freezing night, he'd seen Richard running a rented woodchipper beside the river. Investigators combed the banks and found fragments. A tooth, bone chips, a painted fingernail, nearly 2,600 bleached-blonde hairs. Then a chainsaw surfaced, its serial number filed off, traced straight to him. Richard believed no body meant no murder. He was wrong. It became Connecticut's first murder conviction with no body, 50 years. Would those fragments have been enough for you? New case tomorrow on Crime in 2 Minutes. Subscribe so you don't miss it.